visit my village. It's not so far. We'll sit by the river